Hey everyone, welcome to Sheeba's Cookery World. Surprised? I'm actually on the way to Nandi Hills and I found this beautiful grape cultivation, and that's when I thought, let me just pause and do some video. It's not a recipe video today, but it's actually a look back into 2018. Yeah, so it's been almost a year that I started my channel now, and I wanted to actually do a recap of what has been done so far. Although I've not been able to post so many videos or recipes, but I've been able to experiment quite a lot of things. And my passion is basically into baking. I love to bake tarts, cakes, cupcakes, etc. So it's been a year and my channel has actually gained 1.2k subscribers and still counting. So this video is especially for you all, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. Lot of effort actually goes into shooting these videos, be it from cooking or shooting this video, editing of the video, etc. I've got a lot of encouragement from you viewers and also my friends, colleagues, relatives, etc. And the person who's actually shooting all these videos, the person behind the camera, that's my husband. So he's been helping me a lot with making of these videos. These are some of the videos that actually gain lot of popularity on my channel in terms of the views or the feedback that I have received. You should definitely check out these videos. It has been a wonderful journey so far, and thanks for all the support that you have provided. I hope that you would continue supporting me in my future journey as well. So thanks for watching, and do stay connected for more such interesting recipes in 2019. These are some of the recipes that gain a lot of popularity. So this video is especially for you all. So I hope which gain a lot of popularity on my channel. You guys should also check it out. It's been a wonderful journey so far, and I'm tired. Let me try some grapes. It's really sweet.